What's up, guys? So today I'm coming at you with another skit because this was sort of, kind of, not really requested that I do an expectation versus reality of dating. And since I've never been in a relationship, I kind of had to ask my mom what it's like with the expectation and the reality. So yeah, and I know we all see those like Tumblr or go on Instagram and we see those cute couple posts and you're like, relationship goals, and then it's just awkward when you get in the relationship and it's basically opposite what you wanted it to be. So I thought it'd be fun to film the expectation versus reality, which I probably said already, but I can't remember. Ignore my rambling and hop to the video. Jermaine, I want to walk down the street holding hands. Can you stop? Can you just put the basketball down for a minute? Whew.
1 second, babe. I'll be right back. Good, son. What's up, bro? What's up, son? What's up? See her right there?
Yeah.
That's my girl.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is, dude.
No, it's not, dude.
Yeah. And if you dare, if you dare to try to mess with her, that's my girl. I call her first. It's mine.
Jermaine, aren't you gonna introduce me to your friend?
Yeah, that's Avionne. Oh, that's my friend. My friend Avionne.
Mm-hmm. I thought we were dating.
Babe, what's for dinner?
Oh, I'm just making chicken wings for dinner. How many do you want?
Can I have 5?
I'll make you 6 just to be sure.
Thanks, babe.
Bon appetit, babe.
Yeah.
Now, book, darling, come to me. Yes, his punishment must be more fulsome, more lingering. Dazzle me, my darling. We can do better than that, I think. See what we have. Oh. Perfect. As usual.
Babe, you cold? I got you, babe.
Jermaine.
I'm cold too.
Jermaine, we should get a hobby. We should start dancing. I already signed us up for dancing classes. We're going to be doing
Dancing? Okay.
Watch me whip, watch me nae. Okay. Now watch me whip, watch me nae. Can you do it? Now watch me.
I was gonna say ballet, but okay. Jermaine, honey, let's take a selfie together. Jermaine, can you take a selfie with me?
No, right now.
Let's take a selfie together.
Not right now.
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it was really awkward when I was Jermaine. Someone said hi to me, and I started bursting into laughter because it's like, they were like, "Hi, Avionne," and then I just had to say in a deep voice, "It's good." And if you want me to do any more skits, comment what type of skits you want me to do below. And like and subscribe, of course. And I'll see you next time. Love you all. Bye.